First of all, let's introduce the assembly sequence of wine bottle cap assembly machine. The wine bottle cap is divided into 6 parts. First, 2 and 3 are assembled together and pressed. Then 1 is put into the combination of 2 with 3 and pressed. Then 4 is put into the combination of 1, 2, 3 and pressed. Then 5 and 6 are assembled together. And finally, the 2 parts are assembled into 1 and pressed. Each assembly step is screened for non-conforming products, and non-conforming products are eliminated.